Hello everyone, welcome to Spice Ranee Cooking Channel. I'm Jasbir and I'm here to share with you all my favorite recipes. Today I'll be cooking fish curry. Fun fact, I actually used this recipe for my audition video to enter Masterchef Asia. This particular fish curry is a recreation of a curry which my brothers and I used to fight over. Mum used to give us $1 to buy fish curry which came with one slice of fish. Just imagine, 4 of us, a quarter each. We used to fight over who had the bigger quarter. Good times, eh? Let's begin with the recipe. For a full list of ingredients, please check out the description box above or below. The first step is to marinate the fish. For this, you need the fish, obviously. I'm using mackerel, or locally known as tenggiri. I got my fishmonger to cut and gut the fish for me. You also need tamarind. Here I have one for marinating the fish and another to be used for the curry later. Salt the fish in a large bowl. As for the tamarind, we need to extract the tamarind juice. What you need to do is just add a 1/4 cup of water to a tablespoon of tamarind. Mix it together and extract as much pulp as possible. Pour the tamarind pulp without the seeds into the fish mixture and mix well. Cover and set aside. The main purpose of marinating the fish in tamarind and salt is to keep it fresh and also to help eliminate any fishy odor. Next, the vegetables. This fish curry has an array of vegetables in it. First, the aromatics for the fish base. I roughly chopped 2 onions, ginger and garlic. Put them into a blender and let the blender do the job. We also need to slice 1 onion, tomatoes and chilies. This is part of the base too. Next, I prepared the lady's finger, Terung Dayak or sour eggplant, and aubergines. Keep the lady's finger whole while the aubergine are cut into large pieces. Same goes with the sour eggplant, but remove the seeds of some of the sour eggplant, otherwise the curry will be too sour. Now for the fun part, it's time to cook. We'll start the cooking with frying the fish. The first step is to place the fish on the paper towels to dry. Pat dry with more paper towels on the other side. Put a tablespoon of cornflour in a sieve and dust the top of the fish. Do the same for the other side. Rub the corn onto the fish if necessary. I use this method because I don't want to waste too much cornflour. I'm going to lightly pan fry the fish. Make sure your oil is hot, otherwise the fish will stick to the pan. Just a little note, don't forcefully flip the fish if it's sticking to the pan. Once it is done, it will naturally be easy to flip. Drain onto paper towels and set aside until needed. I'm lightly pan frying the fish so that when we are cooking the curry, it will hold its shape and also locks in the flavor of the fish. Time to get the curry going. Warm up 4 tablespoons of oil in a wok. Drop in the whole spices. Here we are using mustard seeds, fennel and fenugreek seeds. Let them heat up with the oil until they start to pop. Add the blended aromatics into the hot oil. I added a little water to help remove all aromatics from the blender. Just as little as 2 tablespoons, not more. You don't want to water down those flavors. Curry leaves come next. Remember to bruise those leaves by rubbing them together to extract the full flavor. Stir the mixture till you can smell the curry leaves. Season the base and add the fish curry powder. I'm using my own personal mix of spices for this fish curry powder. It's a recipe that has been tweaked and tested over the years, and it's now excellent for all seafood curries. We have made it available for all of you on our Spice Ranee shop Facebook page. Link is in the description box. Let's continue. Mix this base mixture well. Cook the base till it's dry and the oil surfaces. Add the sliced onions and cook till the onions are soft, not brown. Tomatoes and chilies go in next. Cook this mixture for a good 3 minutes. This helps to extract a good flavor for your base. After that, add all the other vegetables into the wok and add 4 cups of water. Mix well and cook till the vegetables are 3/4 done. Then add the tamarind pulp extract, which was made using the same method as before with a 1/4 cup of water. Add the fish into the curry. Cover and let it come to just 1 boil. You don't need to cook this for too long because the fish is already partially cooked. Lastly, add coconut milk or santan to the wok. This adds a good sweetness and richness to your gravy. Mix it well. Taste and season accordingly. Very good. Ta-da! It's done. It's so simple. My flavorful and delicious fish curry. No more fighting over fish slices anymore. Do try our recipe and let me know what you think. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every week.